Hello all and welcome to our channel Holistic Facts. In Prelims Prime videos today we are going to learn about the 8th continent, which is named Zealandia because it is situated beneath New Zealand. Alright, so what is exactly happening right now? Why is this in news? So Zealandia was discovered and confirmed actually in 2017 itself, but it was very difficult to map this particular continent as 94% of Zealandia's 2 million square miles are under water. But now the scientists have mapped the shape and size of Zealandia continent to an unprecedented level. Alright, so that is why this is in news, and it is the 8th continent. And I guess because the maps were not available yet, the mapping of this particular continent was not done yet. So usually in world map it is not shown as the 8th continent, but maybe soon it will be. Right now we are seeing here 7 continents. Okay, so I thought we'll just revise these continents. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia, which is also called as Oceania when we take all the surroundings in consideration, including New Zealand. So now where the New Zealand is situated below Australia, that's where your new continent Zealandia is. So here you can see clearly, alright, here is New Zealand and the New Caledonia, and this is Zealandia. New Caledonia are other islands present in that area. So these are the only parts which are above sea level. Alright, New Caledonia and New Zealand. The rest of the Zealandia is below water. So what are the latest finding here? So Zealandia's area is nearly 2 million square miles or 5 million in square kilometers, and it is about half the size of Australia, and only 6% of the continent is above sea level and everything else is below water. Latest map depicts coastlines, territorial limits and names of major undersea features as well. Means here you can just remember how detailed the map has been done. The map is a part of global initiative to map the planet's entire ocean floor by 2030. So this particular initiative is called Seabed 2030 initiative. So all the available bathymetric data is being collected and the ocean floor is being mapped under this. This map also reveals where Zealandia sits across various tectonic plates, which of those plates are being pushed under the other in a process known as subduction. So millions and millions of years ago, when continents were forming, alright, so Zealandia got subducted, okay? And that is why it is mostly below water. So we'll see now evolution of Zealandia. Gondwana formed when Earth's ancient supercontinent Pangaea split into 2 fragments. So originally we know there was a supercontinent named Pangaea which split into Gondwana and Laurasia. Laurasia formed the north part. Okay? It formed Europe, Asia and North America, and Gondwana formed the southern continents, which were Africa, Antarctica, South America and Australia. Then further geological forces continue to rearrange these masses, and we know that these are still rearranging. The movements are constantly going on. Geological time scale is a very large scale. We know that a few years there means millions of years, right? So mostly these are endogenic forces, like the molten mass under the earth's surface constantly goes through convection current cycles, which is why the continents above they are getting rearranged. So Zealandia was forced under the wave through these process about 30 million to 50 million years after it broke off from Gondwana, and it got subducted beneath the largest plate, that is the Pacific plate. Alright, so here we can see a depiction how Gondwana must have looked like. So there's South America, Africa, India, Antarctica, Australia and New Zealand. Here we can see how the movement of the continents must have taken place in different eras, right? So like Permian, Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous and present day. So 225 million years ago there was a supercontinent called Pangaea. Then it got split into Laurasia and Gondwana land. Here we can see the plates are still moving their direction, and in present day if we see, And this is how the world map looks like if we take continents into consideration. And below Australia you see two islands. Just consider that there is where the Zealandia is situated. So keep this in mind. This particular topic was really important for you from prelims point of views. This can be asked in science and tech, right? So this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Holistic Facts. Thank you.